Imagine tapping into the very essence of God within you. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful insights that will deepen your spiritual connection for greater peace and creative power. The idea you are God might make you feel unsure or doubtful. We all have different beliefs about what God is, shaped by our upbringing and culture, which causes this doubt. Different traditions often imagine God as being like a human, but that doesn't capture the true essence of God, a powerful force that is everywhere and connects everything. To truly understand and feel God, you need to change how you see things. Instead of looking outside, look within yourself and connect with the deep underlying part of everything. This means letting go of your own desires and focusing on being present. Our own desires can limit our understanding of God. To connect with God, you need to let go of these desires. Find moments of quiet, and be present in the here and now. When you experience God in this way, it's like opening a door to a strong connection that isn't clouded by the human ego. The journey to God is supposed to be enjoyable and fulfilling. It's about getting closer to the divine inside you, not about filling some kind of emptiness. Remember, you're already complete and whole. Seeking God is about exploring the reality around you and feeling connected to everything. As you travel this path, let go of the things that block your connection with God. This means unraveling thoughts and beliefs that get in the way. You'll realize that God isn't a separate being or far away. God is the consciousness that you're a part of. Everything is connected to the divine. When we say, "You are God," we're not saying you're better than others. We're saying you're part of the big picture, just like a drop in the ocean. You're connected to everything, and you're not separate from the universe. So understanding you are God is about changing how you see things. It's a journey inward to let go of your ego and find the truth inside you. Through quiet moments, being present, and letting go of barriers, you'll feel a stronger connection to God in yourself and in everything around you. You can then approach life with a fresh perspective, fostering love, understanding, and unity as you go along your path, and learn to use this connection to manifest your desired reality with confidence and ease. You are a part of the powerful whole. You are God.